Elope. To secretly run away and get married. Example: they decided to elope to Las Vegas and get married without anyone knowing. Scoff. To mock or show disrespect. Example: she scoffed at the idea of working on the weekend. Gawk. To stare at something in a rude or silly way. Example: he couldn't help but gawk at the incredible view from the mountain top. Glee. Great joy or happiness. Example: her face lit up with glee when she saw the surprise party. Vanquish. To defeat or overcome something completely. Example: the team vanquished their opponents in the final match. Shudder. To tremble or shake, often from fear or disgust. Example: he shuddered when he heard the creepy noise in the dark alley. Intrude. To enter somewhere without permission. Example: she didn't want to intrude on their private conversation. Unwind. To relax after stress or tension. Example: after a long day, I like to unwind with a good book. Entice. To attract or tempt someone. Example: the delicious smell of fresh cookies enticed everyone into the kitchen. Bash. To hit something with great force. Example: he bashed the door with a hammer to get it open. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.